Hello again. I don't know what time it is. About 4 o'clock. I've been out buying some. I got some MDF to go over the top of this. Where are we? There. Yeah, bought that to go in there. Right. Also. Well, that got all confused. Right, I've also got some more MDF, and this MDF here is for here. I'm going to make a do with a cupboard on top. Well, not a cupboard, you know what I mean. But I'm also going to take it right over there, you know, so as it blocks this off. I'm thinking about making these. So yeah, if this goes okay, find out what the cost is, because I know a lot of people, because of this drop here, they can't, you know what I mean. So like I say, I'm going to make something that goes right across. You can actually put inside then your winder for your awning and stuff like that. Right, anyway, got these two pieces of MDF for that. That piece of MDF for that. Me and Sandra went and we've bought the worktop. 20 quid. It's a second, but it's damaged on the side that I'm going to be cutting, so it'll be right. It's black with a little bit of grey in it. We took some of this in and it looks alright. It goes well with the black. I'm still at a loss what to do with this. Out there. And you know, I just don't know. I could put a piece over it, it's going to look stupid. Right, I am on with this. Why is this not? Oh, don't want it that much, do I? Right, I'm on with that anyway. There's this end piece to go in. The one inside the cupboard, which is that. I'm going to have to try and make something. Oh, do you know this phone? That's better. Right, yeah, so this here goes in there. Just trying to work out how, I don't know what to do here. There were some like ballast rail, I put it on forums looking for some, but I can't find the right colour. Anyway, right, I'm going to crack on away with this. Right, I've got this piece on here. I was going to put that on there, but I need to be doing this first. So, I've put this on. That there is just tacks, that's all, because I've stuck it at back, you know what I mean? Right, I've also done that side. Doesn't look too bad from the back end. The further away you get, the better it looks. Ha! Right, yeah, so anyway, so I'm on with these. To do these, with the trim obviously, hardboard. Got some hardboard cut to 30mm, which is there, look. Oh, there. Cut to 30mm. They weren't pence, but cheap, innit? You know what I mean? Regarding the cushion, you know what all goes under the material, all I use is this. It's what you lie on if you're camping. It's pretty thick, gives enough cushion. I've doubled these up with it being up there. So all I do now is cut around them, and the material I've already tacky this, so it'll be nice and ticky tacky for when I come to put cloth on. That's my material already. I'll be back. There we are, all trimmed up, ready for material. Yeah, sorry about that. Said a WhatsApp with my grandson. Yeah, it's basically then of putting material on, like I say, like that. I'm not having the whites, but sorry, there, just goes on. It's all spongy. Right, I shall crack on. Right, managed to get this on. There's that I've just made, but I've just shown you. Obviously that's on. There on, blah de blah de blah. Like I say, I've got some there. It's only 15mm, so I'm going to attempt tomorrow to do the same with this. Whether it works or not, I don't know. I'll save about 30 quid in knocking. No, it won't. Well, I'll save a bit anyway on that knocking stuff. I wish I'd have kept the old knocking trim, and what I'd done, I'd have just covered that and then knocked it back in. But you don't think, well, I don't anyway. Right, so anyway, that's on. That's ready for knocking trim. Hopefully I'll be able to use that, like I say. Same there. Right, what I'm going to say, I'm going to B&Q now and see if they have any of that ballast rail stuff, whatever it's bloody called. If they have some, fair enough. If not, it looks like I'm going to have to make my own up, doesn't it? Because I know you can buy them on eBay, you know, the little pegs, if you want to call them that, and you buy your trim for the top. Oh, what a ball like that's going to be. Ugh, I'm not looking forward to that. Anyway, shut up. Right, I am going to B&Q now. I'm not going to upload this tonight because it's been a lot of crap, to be honest. Hopefully be very eventful tomorrow. Right, I've decided I'm going to devise something that goes around here, you know, for this here lip, just to get rid of it, you know what I mean? There was one here, so what I've done, I took a few templates off it and blah blah blah, and I've ended up with that. It's MDF 20mm. I'm being spied on. Yeah, if you tip it over, it's like that. That's for your, obviously the angle of the front. Yeah, that there, this piece here, goes at the back, so as it's all so you can dismantle it easy. Just take this out and it'll just pop out. This here will be a lid that'll go in there. Hang on, go in there like that. Got to put some kind of strengtheners under there for, you know, for the actual thing to sit on. Same there, here. That's okay there. You'll sit on that. Coming too. This here is for just here. What it is, I put it in, and when you stand on this, if you do stand on it, it tilts. It's just give it a bit more strength. Yeah, so I might start making these if anybody's interested. I'll show you what it's like when it's finished, and yeah, cool. There we go, all fitted. That there. The reason for gap is because of carpet. Once carpet goes on, be nice and tight. Bit of storage. Put things under. Winders for awning, etc. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, from inside. Oh, for some reason it's tilting. Right, yesterday I did this, finished that. This here is just temporary. Just want to see what it looked like. Put the cupboards up on that side. So the actual project is coming along very, very nicely. Right, update tomorrow.